Proportions, the backbone of arithmetic. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the world of proportions, an essential concept in the GRE's quantitative reasoning section. Whether you're a math wizard or someone just brushing up on basics, understanding proportions is crucial. So, let's get started. Proportions are simply a way of expressing how one quantity relates to another. Imagine you're making a fruit salad and you need 2 apples for every 3 oranges. This relationship, or ratio, can be expressed as 2 to 3 or 23, frac. 2, 3, 32. This ratio is essentially a proportion. Key point: proportions express the relationship between 2 quantities. In our everyday life, we constantly use proportions, often without realizing it. 1. Cooking. Recipes often require you to maintain specific proportions of ingredients. 2. Shopping. When you compare prices, you often look at cost per unit or quantity. 3. Traveling. Fuel efficiency of cars is often given in miles per gallon, another proportion. On the GRE, you might be asked to solve problems related to mixing solutions, determining percentages, or finding out how one quantity changes if another quantity is altered. Key point: proportions help in understanding relationships between quantities in both everyday life and in the GRE. Now, let's delve into solving some basic proportion problems. Example: if 5 pencils cost $3, how much do 8 pencils cost? Solution: set up the proportion. Frac. 5, text, pencils, $3, equals frac. 8, text, pencils, x. By cross-multiplying, 5x equals 245x equals 245x equals 24. So, x equals $4.80. Thus, 8 pencils cost $4.80. Key point: to solve proportion problems, set up a proportion and then solve for the unknown using cross-multiplication. And that wraps up our quick dive into proportions. Remember, understanding and mastering proportions will not only aid you in the GRE but also in many practical scenarios in everyday life. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find proportions a breeze to handle. Until next time, happy learning!